The S&P is trading at all-time highs. Valuations we haven't seen since the dot-com bubble. And that's why financial experts are suggesting alternative investments. Nearly every top equity firm is projecting real returns of 5% or less. And Morningstar is even predicting negative growth. You can diversify with crypto and NFTs, but if you're like me, you like to rest easy at night and know that your JPEG isn't going to lose 85% of its value overnight. And that's why I love investing into a tangible asset with a proven track record of over 276 years of returns. What is that investment? It's art. I personally discovered Masterworks about 6 months ago because I realized that physical art is one of the best ways to get a return on my money. Contemporary art prices have outperformed the S&P by over 174%, tracking from 1995 all the way up to 2020. The reason why art is such a great investment is because that's where billionaires invest their money. 2/3 of billionaires allocate 10 to 30% of their entire holdings just to art. Over 250,000 people have already signed up for Masterworks. And using my link down below, you can skip the waitlist. So get started and follow the Billionaire Mindset and invest some of your assets into art. And tell them Life Tailored sent you.